Extreme alert, flood warning. Flood warning for Madison, Illinois and St. Charles, Missouri. Active until tonight at 11:30. Upper Alton, Illinois is under a flood warning. The Mississippi River at Alton is at 21.3. Follow instructions from local emergency management. Monitor local emergency channels for updates and instructions. Stay informed at skytime.live.